Another matchstick puzzle for clever minds. 9 plus 5 is equal to 9. We must make this equation correct by moving only one stick. And the same rules apply. We cannot use unequal sign and we must use all the sticks. We cannot hide it. If we take it from here, we must put it somewhere. Okay, now build the same equation for yourself. Pause the video and give it a try. How was it? Here is the solution. 9 plus 5 is equal to 9. What can we do here? We can take this stick. 3 is created here. And if I put it here, 6 is created here. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Was it interesting? I really enjoy solving this kind of puzzles. I hope you enjoy too. See you in the next puzzle.